Alright, so this video is on how to make a forage blower for extremely cheap, or any blower for that matter. You can use it for anything. It's going to be made out of an old vacuum, and I'm also adding on a foot pedal for it, so that you press your foot down on the pedal and it will turn on and off the forge. So I hope you like the video, like it, and subscribe. Alright, so the motor I have on there is extremely loud, so as you can see right here. And so because of that, I'm going to put a dimmer switch on it. Alright, so this is my new forge blower right here. Air gets sucked in there and pushed out here. This is an old vacuum motor right here. So there it is. This is the motor. Air is sucked in here and pushed out around the motor, which is also a self-cooling system for the motor. Alright, so today I went out and got this. This is the piece for the dimmer switch that I got for my forage blower to turn down, to control the flow. Turn it all the way to the left. It's off, and then turn it on and all the way up to high. I got this coupler piece here. This piece that takes it from the large size down to the bottom, or to the smaller size. This is the size of tubing that carries all the air through my forge. So I got this dimmer switch on it, so I can change the speed, thus the airflow. Plus sound is a contributing factor to why that is there. It just goes into here where it's connected, and then the other part goes out where it has the wall plug. Alright, so I also told you I was going to make a pedal. I'll show you that right now. This was also very cheap. I took all the parts from this out of the same vacuum that I did for the blower, and I got one cord from a dollar store, one extension cord from a dollar store for like $2. I've already made this part, put hinges on it. So yeah, deciding whether I should use this spring, which is quite easy to push, or this one, which is a bit harder but it's smaller. I think I'm gonna end up going with this one. I got my button here, which is gonna be mounted inside here. I'm gonna cut a hole and it's gonna go in through the bottom, and then when the top hits it, it's gonna do that. So that's how it's gonna work. And I got the connection pieces to go onto there. And all we're gonna do, we're gonna take this, we're gonna cut it in the line, and just add the switch on, off, and there you go. You can plug 3 things in, and then that will turn off and on. Alright, so here we go. I've taken the coating, or the covering off. So now we just have this section and this section. So I only need one wire, and I'm going to take the black wire. The black wire is going to be connected to the switch. Alright, so here we go. We got this, plugs into the wall, comes up here, these go through to here, and then this branches off here, comes to this, where it clicks on and off. So now I gotta put this into here housing, which I got here, where white wire is gonna come out, white wire, and the black one. So it's a T. Alright, so this is what I've done. I got these stands on it. Now, taking this piece, I'm gonna cut out this right here, place that inside, and then I got another piece, and I'm gonna cut out part of the bottom here, I'm going to sandwich it in between there, sort of like that, and then it will click down. So here's where the blower, or whatever you're trying to turn on and off, will go into. And then on this end, you got to plug into the wall. But along here is this block. And it goes to the switch. Alright, there we go. I've carved out the piece, so just take that away, and then here we are. There. So I just cut with the saw down there, and then just chiseled this part out. And now on this side, right down here, because it goes like that, I'm going to need to make some room for the electrical connections up here, and then some room for the cord down here. Here's the next piece. Here's where the wire goes, and then this piece I carved out so that it can accommodate the wire connection and the whole bottom part. Alright, so here we go. It's pretty much done now. I got the springs on, and I got the vice grips holding it this way, and I got the quick grips holding it this way, and it's being glued down. Okay, so the pedal has dried, and then the springs on, and the buttons on, and it's all connected, and it goes to there. Alright, so here's the forge blower. I got my dimmer here. There's the inside. Here is the foot pedal. I got this all plugged in and ready to go. All I have to do is turn this switch. It's really, really powerful even on a low setting. So it's going. It's not blowing that hard. Even this power would be good enough for the forge. So it's blowing. Foot pedal. Off. On. Off. Alright, so I hope you liked that video. If you did, press the like button. And subscribe, comment, please ask me questions or give me advice. If you saw me do something that's wrong, I would want to know about it. So, yeah, and if you'd like to see the video of my forge being made, it's right here. I'm going to put up another one that's shorter. I know this is a 2-part video and I just blabble on a lot of it, but you know. So there it is, check it out. There's a link to the other one in it, the second video. So yeah, there it is, right there. Check it out.